a postage stamp with the mathematician Fibonacci on it. You can see it over here too in this collage of different things. These are little pieces of artwork that I use in some of the other enrichment videos that I do in some of the other classes. But the enrichment video for this section does involve the mathematician Fibonacci, so I think you're going to like it. I want to talk to you for a minute about superscripts and subscripts. You're familiar with superscripts, they're exponents. Subscripts may be new to some of you, but you've seen them before. For instance, if you've ever taken a chemistry class, H2O, that's a subscript, and that stands for the number of hydrogen atoms you have in this water molecule. In mathematics, if you've taken an algebra class and you've worked with the slope of a line, you know the definition is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where these 1s and 2s are subscripts, just telling you to subtract the y values in the numerator and subtract the x values in the denominator from the 2 points you have that have x and y coordinates. Now in statistics we do something similar. Okay, you'll have a population, let's say, and then inside that population you've taken a couple of samples. You want to find some things out about the population based on these samples. So you take two different samples. Well, each of these samples will have a mean, and each of these samples will have a sample size, like the number of people you've sampled. Maybe this is 500, this is 1,000. They're both sample sizes, but we want to differentiate them from each other, so we use subscripts. So for the two means, I would say x bar 1, that's the mean of this sample, x bar 2 is the mean of this sample. For sample sizes, I could say n1 is the size of this sample and n2 is the size of this sample. So for us, these subscripts are really notation and allow us to differentiate between similar things that we're working with, but maybe from different samples, sometimes even from different populations. So we'll see. So again, we're going to work a little bit now with subscripts and something you're going to see quite often in statistics.